Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or delete your payment information, including your credit card, debit card, or any other payment information from Google Chrome. So follow these simple steps to clear out your saved payment methods. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, just simply open your Chrome browser and then just simply click on the three dots menu in the top right-hand side corner. From the menu, just simply click on Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, just simply look for an option called Autofill section, which is right over here. Now, click on that. Now, over here, the moment you click on this, you should see an option called Payment Methods. Now, if you don't see immediately the Payment Methods option, use the search box function to locate payment methods because Google has a tendency to remove the settings from one menu to a different one. So just simply search for payment methods and you will get to the location. Now here you will see all the payment methods currently saved in your Chrome. For each payment method, you will have different options as you can see right over here. To delete a payment method, simply click on the three dots next to it and choose Delete. If you want to modify the payment details instead of deleting it, click on Edit and update the payment info. Additionally, you can manage whether Chrome saves and files payment method automatically. Toggle off the Save File Payment Method option, which you can see right over here. So after disabling this option, Google will no longer save your payment methods. There is also another option to allow sites to check if you have saved payment methods. Just simply uncheck this if you want to ensure your privacy. And lastly, if you want to delete the payment method, click on the three dots and then click on Delete again, and the payment method will be gone. So that's it. Now you have learned how to delete or manage your payment information and credit card details in Google Chrome. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.